What to do, YouTube? It's Nyiah here back with another video, and as you guys can tell by the title, I will be doing a wig review. You know I love doing wig reviews by companies, but this specific company named Tinashe reached out to me and asked me to review one of their wigs, and you guys know I said of course. So they provided me with this little pamphlet thingy showing about their company. They gave me a bonnet, y'all, period. Cute. It's a blue silk cute bonnet. Also, what they gave me was a wig cap to install the lace that they provided me with. Also, some lashes. Y'all, them lashes was so cute. I'm not even going to cap. Then they gave me a box with their Instagram, their Facebook, Twitter, all that good stuff on it. And then they provided me with the straps, the elastic straps. And then here goes the wig right here. This wig is a 13x4 lace front wig, curly hair pre-plucked version human hair wig, and they do have a sale going on with this specific wig. Specific wig, and it is human hair. As I said before, you get 55% off of this wig, but you guys know I got some edge control, got to be glue, the spray, and the actual gel of it. And now what I'm about to do is start applying the wig cap. So y'all stay tuned. Their website and their Instagram will be down below in the description box, so do not forget to check them out. They have amazing sales going on right now. This wig that I have on my head was originally $300, almost $400, but $300, and they're selling it 55% off, guys. You cannot beat that, so go check them out, my ladies out there, my men who love these kind of wigs. I'm telling you, you do not want to miss out. So as you guys see, I am applying the Got to Be glue to the edge of my head, my big forehead, but then I'm drying it, and then I gotta cut the ear out. Make sure if you have a lace, what I learned is that you cut the ear hole really small so that you don't so that it doesn't go off of your ear. Now, as you see, I'm literally just cutting all the excess pieces and the extra pieces off of the edges of my forehead. So as I said in the beginning, I didn't even have to pluck much of the lace because it already comes pre-plugged, which is the amazing part about this wig. You cannot beat that. Right now I am applying makeup to make this cap match my skin color because as you can see, it's way lighter than me. So I applied makeup to the part where the part's gonna lay, and then the edges of my hair. Okay, so now I'm getting a tissue with some 70% of alcohol and removing the glue from the front of my head, all the excess glue, the extra, all that. I'm removing it from the front so it don't look icky. Now I'm applying some Got2b glue gel to the front of my hair and I'm blow drying it until it gets tacky. The reason I'm doing this is so that it can stay. And if it's not tacky, your lace front will not stay, girl. So make sure if you do use the technique that I'm doing, the Got2b glue, make sure it's tacky before you even lay the lace down on your head. Y'all, in this process, it was very difficult for me because this is the first time I'm ever even installing a lace. Right here, I am cutting out my ear. I feel like I messed up on this part. But, yeah, it was just kind of difficult for me because I'm just like, what do I do? Like, it's not really sticking how I wanted it to stick. It wasn't giving what I needed it to give. But I promise you at the end, the results came out better than I thought. Right here, I'm trying to find my edges so I can cut them and do them. Y'all, at this point, I'm just like, it is what it is. Like, I'm trying. So in that water bottle that I'm spraying my hair with is water, and then in the other thing that I showed you, the olive oil, that's mousse, and that's what's giving it curls. Yes, yes. Y'all see how this is. Y'all, this was a really nice lace. Like, I love the way it felt. You can tell this is most definitely human hair. So now I'm back with my lashes. And y'all, I was feeling it. Like, this was so cute to me. Just wait till I take off my little bandana. So my first reaction was like, I did okay. You know, I had to get into it. I was like, for my first time, I most definitely think I did good. For the first time, y'all just give me my props. Let me know how y'all think and some tips y'all can give me for my next lace that I ever do. If I do another one. This was a lot of work, honestly. But, I mean, I tried. I liked it. It was okay. So I'm just brushing it again. Kind of refreshing it a little bit. But, yeah. It came out good. So as you guys can see, I'm feeling myself a little bit more. I'm kind of getting into it, liking it, but do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. The 3 shout outs of the day will be right here. So shout out to you guys. Thank you for supporting my channel. I really do appreciate it, and much love to each and every one of you. Y'all stay tuned for more videos. I love y'all forever and always. Also, do not forget to rate this wig 1 out of 10. Rate it. Let me know how I did. I really want to know. But until next time, guys. Period. Yes, bye.